Standard 12 Chemistry, Unit 12, Aldehyde, Ketone and Carboxylic Acid, Part 7. Chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketone is to be continued. Here we discuss about the addition of sodium bisulfite NaHSO3 This reaction is very most important to get pure aldehyde and ketone. First of all, let's see the common reaction about aldehyde and ketone. NaHSO3, sodium bisulfite, carbonyl group of the carbon is partial positive charge and oxygen has 2 lone pair of electron and partial negative charge. Now the sodium, which is Na, which is electrophile and attached with the oxygen, and the HSO3 or SO3H, which is act as nucleophile, will attack on the carbon. At equilibrium state, intermediate is formed. This will be converted to single bond, and here oxygen has 3 lone pair of electron and negative charge. Now this sodium is attached with the sodium oxygen and SO3H will attack on carbon. In next step, H plus transfer, this hydrogen will transfer to the oxygen and it forms OH, and here this sodium will attach on the SO3Na and it forms SO3Na, which is solid. So here, to get the pure form of aldehyde and ketone, hydrolysis is carried out. Hydrolysis is carried out and the pure aldehyde or ketone is regained. So for aldehyde, equilibrium is in forward direction, or for ketone, equilibrium will be in backward or reverse reaction. First of all, let's see the example. Here is CH3CHO, it is acetaldehyde or ethanol, which will react with sodium bisulfite. Carbon partial positive charge, oxygen partial negative charge. HSO3 will be nucleophile, which is attack on the carbon. This will be converted to single bond, CH3 and H will be remains as it is. Now oxygen has 3 lone pair of electron and negative charge, and the sodium will be attached with the oxygen, and here SO3 H. In next step, H plus transfer. So this hydrogen will be transferred to the oxygen, and sodium will be attached with SO3 CH3 H, and here OH and SO3 Na, which is solid form, or it is named as acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. Acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite, which on further hydrolysis and reagent of acetaldehyde, but it is in pure form. It is impure. So this reaction is very most important for purification of aldehyde and ketone. Now the another example for ketone, CH3 COCH3, it is named as acetone. It can react with sodium bisulfite. Sodium is attached with the oxygen. This will be converted to lone pair of electron. This will be nucleophile, which is attack on the carbon at equilibrium state. Intermediate is formed. Is CH3 will be as it is CH3, and now this double bond will convert to single bond. 3 lone pair of electron, negative charge in sodium, and here SO3H. In next step, H plus transfer. This H plus will attach with the OH, and this will be sodium will attach SO3 CH3, and here OH and SO3 Na. Now its name will be acetone sodium bisulfite. Which is to get the pure acetone, which is washed in water. It is in solid form. The acetone is in pure form. This sodium bisulfite salt will be dissolved in the water, and pure acetone is formed. Now the third reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. Is a common reaction for aldehyde or ketone, which will react with Grignard reagent, and this will be partial positive charge or halide will be negative charge, and this alkyl group will be strong nucleophile, because this oxygen or nitrogen or halide or carbon that gives electron pair or donate electron pair, and due to this R will be negatively charged, and this will be attack on the carbon atom. This double bond will be converted to single bond, and oxygen having 3 lone pair of electron and negative charge. Now this magnesium halide MgX will attach with carbon, and this alkyl group is attached with the carbon. In next step, hydrolysis is carried out. H plus and OH minus. OH minus will bonded to the MgX, and it forms MgOH X, and H will be attached with the oxygen OH, and R, and the alcohol is formed. Either it may be primary, secondary or tertiary. Here addition of Grignard reagent to the aldehyde and ketone, alcohol is formed. For example, is acetaldehyde or ethanol, methyl magnesium bromide, which is Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. Now this methyl will be our nucleophile. It's partial positive charge, negative charge. This will be here. This nucleophile will attack on the carbon, CH3, and H. Here oxygen, the MgBr will be attached, this is negative, and this methyl will attach with the carbon, which is further hydrolysis with water molecule or hydrolysis. This OH will be attached with the MgBr, MgOH, Br, and the H plus will attach with the oxygen, CH3, here H, and here OH, and this will be methyl. Okay, so its simple form is CH, OH, and CH3. It is named as 1, 2, 3, 2-propanol or propan-2-ol, or it is secondary alcohol. Now let's see about the another example for aldehyde. Here it is HCHO or formaldehyde, or it is named as methanol. You can react with methyl magnesium bromide, which is Grignard reagent. This will be nucleophile, which is attack on the carbon. This will be converted to double bond. Here oxygen, and MgBr is attached with the oxygen, and the methyl group is attached with the carbon. This intermediate is formed. This further hydrolysis, water molecule is added, H plus and OH minus. OH minus will attach with the magnesium bromide or MgOH Br, and the H plus will attach with the oxygen, and it forms here H, and OH, and here CH3. It is named as CH3CH2 OH. It is primary alcohol, and its name is ethanol. This primary alcohol. So by this use of only primary alcohol is prepared when formaldehyde is used. Formaldehyde is used, primary alcohol is formed, or another aldehyde like ethanol or propanol, it is converted to secondary alcohol. Now the CH3CO, CH3, this acetone, which is react with methyl magnesium bromide or this Grignard reagent. This will be nucleophile methyl, which is attack on the carbon atom. CH3 remains as it is. This will be converted to single bond and oxygen is 3 lone pair of electron, negative charge and MgBr, and this will be attached with the carbon, which is further react with water molecule H plus OH minus. OH minus will attach with the Mg and OH. MgOH Br is formed. Here CH3 remains as it is, and this hydrogen will attach with the oxygen. It is converted to OH, and here methyl. Its simplification here CH3 C OH CH3 CH3. Okay, now its name is 1 2 3 2 methyl 3 carbon, so propane 2 all, and it is tertiary carbon, so it is tertiary alcohol. Okay, so from acetone to tertiary alcohol, or it is named as 2-methyl propane 2-all is formed. It is tertiary alcohol. So here the final conclusion: by formaldehyde addition of the Grignard reagent, primary alcohol is formed, or then after ethanol or propanol or further and so on, aldehyde is used. Secondary alcohol is formed, and for ketone, when ketone is used, tertiary alcohol is formed. Now the another reaction here is CH3CH CHO, it is ethanol, CH3CH2 MgBr, it is ethyl magnesium bromide, now ethyl will be our nucleophile, will attack on the carbon, CH3H, and here MgBr, and here CH2 CH3 H2O H plus and OH minus. This will be OH will attach with the MgBr, and it forms OH MgBr, and H plus will be attached with the oxygen, CH3 H OH and CH2 CH3. Now it's simplified, CH3 CH OH CH2 CH3. Okay, it is, there are 4 carbon chain, 1 2 3 4. Its name will be butane to all. Okay, now is methyl and it is ethyl magnesium bromide. Now there is change here in this reaction. Now ethyl is attached here, CH3 CH2 or ethyl group is attached, and here CHO, and it is named as propanol. C2H5. Okay, and here CH3 MgBr, CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, which is nucleophile, which is attack on carbon, and it forms H5C2. Here H5C2, and here hydrogen is attached, oxygen, MgBr, rest of the part. So methyl is attached with the carbon, H2O, H plus and OH minus. OH minus will attach with MgBr and it forms MgOH-Br, and H plus is attached with the oxygen, OH, CH3, and C2H5 remains as it is. Now it is simplified as or written is C2H5 CH OH and CH3, and there are 4 carbon chain. Its name is butane to all. It is secondary alcohol. Here the product is same, butanol or butanol, but here ethanol and ethyl magnesium bromide is react, and here in this case propanol and methyl magnesium bromide is used, and the product will be same. Okay friends, so next time we will discuss addition of alcohol. Thank you very much.